Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss the topic rational number in this exercise 4.2. First question, find a rational numbers between each given pair. So here they are given rational number is 3 by 7 minus 5 by 7. So here you want to find a rational number between. Here rational number means one rational number you want to find out. So already we know the number line. So the number line is, it belongs to positive and negative together with 0. So this is positive. Then it will goes continuously. Then this side is negative. Then numbers, it will goes continuously. So in between 3 by 7 and minus 5 by 7. So the denominators are same. So numerator number alone 3 and minus 5. So in between a rational number. So in between we have many rational number. So in between only one rational number you want to write. So a rational number between 3 by 7 and minus 5 by 7 is. So in this you can choose in between any numbers. So minus 4 by 7 or minus 3 by 7 or 0 by 7 or 1 by 7. But you want to write it in rational number format means we want to write it in P by Q format. So Q not equal to 0. So minus, so you can choose any number minus 2 by 7 or minus 1 by 7 or 0 by 7 or 1 by 7 or 2 by 7. So minus 3 by 7. Here second question, minus 1 by 5 and minus 3 by 8. So here the denominators are different. So denominators are different means first take LCM. 5 and 8 LCM is 5 table, 1s are, then 8 table, 2 2s are 4, then 4 2s are 8, then 2 table, 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 table, 1 1. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So the LCM answer is 40. So we have minus 1 by 5 and minus 3 by 8. So by which number if you are multiplying you got the denominator is 40. Here 8, then here 5. So minus 8 by 40 and minus 15 by 40. So now the denominators are same. So in between a rational number you want to find out. So 8 after minus 7, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have so many numbers. So only one number you can choose and write. So a rational number between minus 1 by 5 and minus 3 by 8 is equal to minus 9 by 40. So if denominators are different means take LCM, then change the denominator as same, then you can find out the in between rational number. Next question, compare the rational numbers using the symbol greater than or less than. So before you are going to compare, check the denominators are same. So once if the denominators are same, numerator alone compare, then always we know compared to negative, positive is greater. So compared to 0, negative is smallest in the rational number. So 2 by 10 and 7 by 10. So here the denominators are same. So numerator alone compare 2 and 7. So 7 is greater. So the answer is 7 by 10 rational number is greater. Next question, minus 9 by 11 minus 7 by 11. So here the denominators are same but both numerators are negative. So if both numerators are negative means smallest is the greater number is the smallest number. So here, so it's reverse order. If both the numbers are negative means it's reverse order. Smaller number is the greater number is the smaller number. So in the 7 is the smallest number. So that is our greater rational number. So the greater rational number is minus 7 by 11. Third question, 9 by minus 13 minus 3 by 13. Once if the denominator is negative means that sign you will move on to the numerator. Minus 9 by 13 minus 3 by 13. Now the denominators are same. 13, 13. Then you can compare only the numerator number. So as I told you, if both the numbers are negative means smallest is the greater, greater number is the smallest. So smaller number is the greater. So minus 3 by 13 is greater rational number. Third question, which rational number is greater in each pair? They are given 2 rational number minus 4 by 5 and 7 by 10. So here the denominators are different. So we can't able to compare. So take LCM. So the LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So here already we have 10. So here only multiply with 2. Then minus 8 by 10. Then 7 by 10. So now the denominators are changed. So same, the denominators are same, 10, 10. So H is greater, minus 8 or 7. As I told you earlier, compared to negative, positive is greater. So 7 by 8 is greater. So either you can do like this or directly you can write. So here negative rational number is minus 4 by 5. Then 7 by 10. So we know very well compared to negative, positive is greater. So directly also you can write the answer. So the greater rational number is rational number, it's equal to 7 by 10. So compared to negative, positive is greater. Next question, 7 by 15, 9 by 10. So here both the rational numbers are positive, but the denominators are different. So 7 by 15 and 9 by 10. So the denominator number you can take LCM. 15 and 10 take LCM. So both the number we can divide with 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Then 2 table, 3, 1. Then 3 table, 1, 1. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So the LCM answer is 30. So here we have the denominator, which number if you are multiplying, you will get 30. 15 2s are 30, 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 is 3. If you are multiplying, you will get 10 3s are 30. So 7 2s are 14 by 30, 27 by 30. So which is greater? So we change the denominator 30. So compared to 14, 27 is greater. 27 by 30 is belongs to 9 by 10. So 7 by 15 is smaller than 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 rational number is greater. So therefore answer is greater rational number. It's equal to 9 by 10. Next question, arrange in descending order. So descending order means we know the greatest to smallest. So here check the denominators are same. So 6 by 9 minus 4 by 9 minus 2 then 7 by 9. So here denominator is missing means you have to consider 1. So but here the denominators are different. So we want to take LCM. So LCM is 9. So just here alone multiply with 9. So 6 by 9 minus 4 by 9 minus 18 by 9 7 by 9. So the denominators are same. So always remember compared to positive, negative is smallest. Then 0 and negative means negative only is the smallest, 0 is greater. 2 negative means it's a reverse order. Smaller number is a greater number is a smaller number. So here descending order means greatest number you want to write. So positive only will come. So 6 by 9 and 7 by 9. So which is greater? 6 or 7? 7. So 7 by 9, comma 6 by 9, comma then 2 negative. If you have 2 negative means it's a reverse order. Smaller number is a greater number is a smaller number. So smaller number is minus 4 by 9, comma minus 18 by 9. So 18 by 9 is belongs to minus 2. So answer is 7 by 9, comma 6 by 9, comma minus 4 by 9, comma, minus 2. Next question, minus 3 by 5, comma, 7 by 10, comma, 8 by 15, comma, minus 3 by 10. So here the denominators are different. So take LCM, 5, 10, 15, 10. So we can divide with 5 table. 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 2s are. Then 2 table, 1, 1, 3, 1. Then 3 table, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM answer is 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So LCM answer is 30. So here we have denominator is 5. So by which number you want to multiply? 5 6 are 30. Then 10 3s are 30. 15 2s are 30. 10 3s are 30. 3 6 are 18. Minus 18 by 30. Then 21 by 30. 16 by 30. Minus 9 by 30. So always compare to negative, positive is greater. We have two positive number, 21 by 30, 16 by 30. So greater number is 21 by 30, then 16 by 30. So smaller number is a greater in negative, minus 9 by 30, minus 18 by 30. So 21 by 30 is belongs to 7 by 10, 16 by 30 is belongs to 8 by 15. Minus 9 by 30 is minus 3 by 10. Minus 18 by 30 is minus 3 by 5. So the answer is 7 by 10, comma, 8 by 15, comma, minus 3 by 10, comma, minus 3 by 15. Next question, arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Here we have minus 4 by 7. 2 by 7 and minus 5 by 7, comma, 0. So here the denominators are same. Okay. So compared to negative, 0 is greater, then positive is greater. So smallest number only we want to write, minus 4 by 7, minus 5 by 7. So here we have two negatives. So greater number is the smallest number. So first rational number is minus 5 by 7. Minus 4 by 7, then 0, then positive rational number. So the answer is minus 5 by 7, minus 4 by 7, 0, then 2 by 7. Next question, 12 by 15, comma, 7 by 15, comma, minus 5 by 15, comma, minus 12 by 15. So here also the denominators are same. So directly you can compare with the numerator number. So here compared to negative, positive is greater. We have two negative number, minus 5 by 15, minus 12 by 15. So it's a reverse order. Greater number is the smallest number. So minus 12 by 15, then minus 5 by 15. Then we have positive number 12 by 15 and 7 by 15. So which is the smallest number? 7 by 15, then 12 by 15. So always remember, if you have two negative rational number means if smaller number is a greater number is a smaller number. And third question, here the denominators are different. So take LCM, 36, 28, 7 and 5. So take LCM. So 7 table we can take 36, 7 4s are 28, then 1s are 5s are. Then 2 table 36, 2 1s are 8 2s are 16, then 2 2s are 4, then 5. Then again 2 table 9 2s are 18, 1 1 5. Then 3 table 3 3s are 9, then 1 1 5. Then 5 table, then 3 table again 1 1 5. Then 5 table 1 1 1 1. So multiply 7 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So multiply 7 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So once if you are multiplying, you will get 1260. So we need to change the denominator as 1260. So 15 by 36 minus 12 by 28 minus 3 by minus 7 1 by 5. So by which number if you are multiplying, you will get 1236. So 36 if you are multiplying with 35, you will get 1260. Then same 1260 divided by 28. So you will get 45. So that number only you want to multiply. Then same 1260 divided by 7. You will get 180. So 180 only you want to multiply. Then divided by 5 means it's 252. Then multiply 15 into 35 is 525. 525 by 1260. Then 12 into 45 is, you can multiply in your rough column. 12 into 45 is 540. 540 by 1260 minus 18 into 3 is 54. 0 add minus 540 by 1260. Then 2 into 1 252. So 252 by 1260. So here you want to find out in ascending order. So ascending order means smaller number is a smallest to greatest you want to arrange. So here smallest number is, so 2 numbers we have. So 2 negative same only. So both the number you can write minus 540. So here both numerator and denominator is negative. So we can cancel. That should be positive. So minus 540 by 1260. Then all the 3 numbers we have positive. So which is the smallest number? 252 by 1260. Then 525 by 1260. Then 540 by 1260. So minus 540 by 2, it belongs to minus 12 by 28. Then 252 by 1260 is belongs to 1 by 5, comma 525 is 15 by 36. Then 540 is belongs to minus 3 by minus 7. So both negative means it should be positive. So answer is minus 12 by 28, 1 by 5, 15 by 36, comma minus 3 by minus 7. Next question, list any 3 rational numbers between. So here you want to find out 3 rational number between. So but here the denominators are different. So take LCM. So the LCM of 6 and 8 is 6. The LCM of 8 and 4 is 4. So LCM is 8. So find in your rough column. Eight 4 LCM find out. 2 table. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1. Then 2 table. 1 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So LCM is 8. Already we have here 8. Here alone multiply with 2. So minus 6 by 8 plus 6 by 8. So in between we want to find out only 3 rational number. So we have minus 5 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 2 by 8. Like that we have till 6. So the answer is the 3 rational number between minus 6 by 8 and 3 by 4 are minus 5 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 3 by 8. Second question, minus 2 by 5 and minus 7 by 10. So here also the denominators are different. So take LCM. So LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So multiply with 2, minus 4 by 10 minus 7 by 10. So in between 4 and 7 we have minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So we have only 2 rational number. So in between means minus 4 to minus 7 is we have only 2 rational number, but we want to find out 3 rational number means again multiply with, so 3 rational number you want to find, multiply with next number 4. So 4 4s are minus 16 by 40 minus 28 by 40. So we have in between so many rational number, so that the 3 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and minus 7 by 10 are minus 17 by 40, minus 18 by 40 and minus 19 by